Lovely people, hope you all are doing well. In today's hack, I am going to show you all how can you all store your leftover bread in the packet that you all have got them originally. How can you store it in a simple way so that you all do not have to hesitate finding a clip where you all can tie that bag and keep it in a place which is secure, because usually bread, when you leave them open, or any food, we always cover them because there's always a fear that any insect could go on the surface and spoil the food or bread. So in order to avoid this, we cover the food, we cover our bread packets or even other packets. This hack is definitely going to come in use to store remaining bread loaves in the same packet itself. So let's check out the hack. So friends, this is the packet of bread with the remaining bread loaves inside, and that's my mom showing this hack. Simply twist the head portion of the packet in this way and flip it backwards, the head portion which you have twisted, and fit it over the remaining loaves of bread. As you can see, the packet looks neat, covering looks neat, and nothing can enter inside. It's a very good way to cover your packet in case if you all do not have clips around. So friends, I hope you all have liked the hack. Maybe it is something that you all might have come across before. If you all have not come across this hack before, do make use of it and let me know what was your experience using this hack. For those of you all who are new visitors to my channel, it's a sincere request, please do not forget to click on the subscribe button and the bell notification icon. So that's it friends, for now. Hope to see you next time with another new hack on how